Here I have POCO F4, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to more modes, select slow motion here, then tap on 3 stripes, and here where you have FPS you can change its speed. So like 120 FPS will be like the most speed up slow motion, and like 960 FPS will be like extremely slow, like I don't know, as snails or slugs or anything, or turtle, something like that. So that's how you can easily change slow motion speed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.